of the party. Suspended Congress MLA from Rambrai Jyrngam Constituency, Kimfa Sydney Marbaniang, who had recently resigned from the Congress, joined the NPP along with his supporters at a gathering in Rambrai, West Khasi Hills district. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma said that the party have been waiting for Marbaniang to join since a long time. Meanwhile, Marbaniang said that he joined the ruling NPP as the party has paid attention to the people's demand and all the promises that they made to the people of Rambrai was fulfilled.
Of the National People's Party and being the president at the national level, I warmly once again welcome Kimfa Marbaniang to the National People's Party.
Pele, the magical Brazilian football star who